Right, so guys, I took a trade on EURUSD and the trade is running in profits as we are speaking. And I want to break it down step by step so you have a clear understanding about how and why I took this particular trade. All right, so let's jump in the markets and let's break it down. So as you can see, I'm currently in profits right now. So I think I'm halfway through. So I'll take my first CP when we clear this high right here. All right, so looking at this chart carefully, the reason why I took this particular trade is right. So if you can see, we had a clear look of structure here because we are in a bullish trend already, right? So we had a nice break of structure. Okay, so this is 1 hour. Sorry, the hourly time frame. So we already had the break of structure there. So this is the low that gave us this high, right? So we are trading in between this low and this high. So we are trading in between these two. All right. So after knowing this, what I did was I went to a lower time frame and looked for my POI. So I already know there's a break of structure, and after every break there must be a pullback, right? So it doesn't matter if it is a break of structure or a change of character. The moment the market breaks, there must be a pullback before a continuational move to the same direction or to the other direction. All right, so I had a break here. It came back. So if you look at it carefully, you see that it did not mitigate in the, let me zoom it also, you can see the other block. We did not get the clear mitigation in the other block, right? So we took this as what? An inducement. And what an inducement is, I cannot explain it here for you guys. Seek your mentor. Your mentor will explain everything to you. All right, so I took this as an inducement, and then the market went up, came back, gave us a nice trap here. This is a trap. This is a big trap. So if you don't know and you fall for it, you will be in danger. So this is a trap. We call this an SMT, right? If you want to learn Forex, hit me up. I'll teach you all these things, right? I can mentor you until you become a profitable trader, right? So we call this one a trap. This is a big trap here. So the moment you take this trade, you expect the market to form a new high. And look at what the market did. It came back and then boom, it cleared you out of the market, right? So this is a big trap. Don't fall for it. Right, so I avoided the trap and then I patiently waited for the market to step in my zone. Right, so it came in my zone and then I took the trade right here aggressively because I knew definitely the trade will go. So I took the first trade aggressively. Let me clear this and show you the second trade, how I actually did it with a confirmation, right? So on the second trade, I took it with a confirmation. All right, so this is the lower time frame. I mean the 5-minute time frame. So we had a change of character here. We had a nice change of character we took here on the 5-minute time frame. So after every break, there must be a pullback, right? So we broke, the pullback came. Let's go to the lower time frame. All right, so look at this carefully. You see that we had a nice other block here. So the market came in here. So this is called refinements. After doing it, you have a smaller stop loss. So your win rate or your risk reward will be higher. And this is a confirmed trade because we had what? A change of character before executing this particular trade. So we'll target this low. This is our low. This is where we'll put our SL. Right, so we'll mark this place our stop loss. So I'll give it a small gap here. Right, and then I'll take my first TP right after this break. And then my second TP rise after the second break, and then the rest will go up and up. All right, so let me see the risk reward now. At the current market stage, the risk reward is 1:6, right? So if you risk, let's say, if you are trading with $1,000 and you risk $100, you must be having $600 in less than 30 minutes as we are speaking. All right, so this is the reason why I took this particular trade. And if I like, I can scale up while this trade is going up, but this is not my session, right? I don't usually trade in Asian session, but for this reason, everything has lined up. That is the reason why I took this particular trade. And anything can happen here too. So you have to secure yourself before the market turns back and hit you hard. So you can secure yourself before the market turns back and hit you hard. All right. So this is how or why I took this particular trade. There is a deeper explanation to it, but I will give that information to my students alone. So if you want to learn about how to trade the forex, if you're in Ghana, if you're in any part of the world, I will gladly teach you. All right, so see you on the next video. Bye.